When you don't go to Ultimate 14, your mother will notice you are not doing anything useful with your day. When your mother notices that you are not doing anything useful with your day, she will suggest that the two of you should do something educational together. When your mother suggests that the two of you do something educational together, she will make you read and discuss Little Women. When your mother makes you read and discuss Little Women, she will decide that it will be even more fun to act out some of the scenes for the family. When your mother decides it would be even more fun to act out some of the scenes for the family, she remembers where your old pilgrim's costume is from your 4th grade play. And when your mother remembers where your old pilgrim costume is from your 4th grade play, you spend the afternoon wearing a bonnet and reciting lines from Little Women. Don't spend the afternoon wearing a bonnet and reciting lines from Little Women. Do something great. Be at Ultimate 14.